ma'am, also help our attendees understand what should owners prioritize when there is a conflict between investing for growth and protecting cash reserves?
Okay, a very important question actually. So when I'm looking for investing in the growth, okay, so obviously I need to sit into my drawing table and find out that if I'm investing, so I really have to have a very clear-cut goal that I am investing so much, what is the ROI which is coming out? Though I might not be very crystal clear as to how much it is, but I really need to have some plan in action which says that, okay, I'm going to invest 100. So my expectation is that in the next 2 years, I will get this much revenue or this much return on investment which will come. So I really need to understand, sit on the drawing board, and probably here I might look for a consultant who can help me. And if I don't want the consultant, then it will be a trial and error. I might put the money, but I might not get the return on investment. So I might have to change the direction. So where investment is a loss. Okay, I lost that money. So I need to have that kind of a reserve to shell out in my trial and error. Okay, but if I'm really having a very limited cash, then I need to sit with a consultant who can help me to analyze what is going to be the ROI. So am I going to make a marketing plan? Am I going to acquire a new business? Am I going to increase my sales by doing maybe some discount drive? There might be a lot of action points which I might take for my growth. So I have to have a consultant who can help me to tell me that whether this investment is going to fetch the ROI which I'm looking for. So I need to do that. Now, cash reserves. Now, this is something which, as I told you, in the Indian mindset, we want to have reserves in us rather than investing and incurring a lot of cost. Now, let me take an example for myself only. So I have now enrolled into a course where it is asking me to pay a 1 lakh rupees fees for it. I don't know whether the revenue is going to come or not. I have a plan. I don't deny that. I have a plan that I'm going to connect with so and so. I'm going to do this. I've already had one level of talking with them. The business might go through. I don't know. As of now, I don't know. But I've already invested that money in myself to learn some new techniques. So this is, I have to see that this is as an investment, and obviously I'm going to try. Suppose if it doesn't happen, if I don't have the greater revenue which is achieved. So here I probably may not be able to do a mathematics here, but then yes, obviously there will be a time when that revenue would come for me. So I really need to take that leap of faith with probably a proper analysis, but the leap of faith is required to be taken when I invest in the future growth. So vis-a-vis to the reserves, then I can probably take a 50% for growth and then 50% for reserves, and or if I'm a little aggressive, then 30 and 70 can be done. 70% I can look for the growth actually.